Hey, what's up? It's Gavin here again. Today I'm doing the top 5 people pulled fire alarms on purpose when there is not a real fire. Let me know in the comment section below if you pulled a fire alarm on purpose in real life. Well, I did once 2 times at Chuck E. Cheese and Walmart when I opened the fire exit. Well, let's get into the list. Number 5. Starting off today's list, we got this guy that pulled a fire alarm on purpose. It's called pulling the fire alarm point. And here's the video.
On the fire alarm. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
Number 4. Starting today's, it was the last day of school, and some student pulled the fire alarm on purpose, and he didn't even got caught. Here's the video.
He's got the recorder. You got anything in mind? It worked. I know. Oh, there you go.
Number 3. Next, we got 2 kids at a hotel that pulled a fire alarm on purpose and end up getting caught. And I'm pretty sure they won't do it again. Here's the video. Number 2. There was this kid at a church that pulled the fire alarm on purpose and tried to push the Weber back up. And there, his dad teaching him a lesson to go to jail. But he's saying he doesn't want to go to jail. And I hope this kid doesn't do it again.
Push the fire alarm. An accident. On an accident?
Yes.
Why would you touch it?
I don't know.
Think you get at least 2 months in jail?
I don't want to go in jail.
You
I'm
won't?
not going to. I know you. No, you're going to jail. Jail. I said.
Number 1. Last up on the list, we got a kid in school that pulled the fire alarm on purpose and got pulled up on the announcements. And I hope, once again, I hope he does not do this again.